Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Arabic Madrasa. This is the fourth lesson from the beautiful book Qasas Nabiyyin, the stories of prophets. And the name of this lesson is Ibrahimu Yaksirul Asnam. Ibrahimu Yaksirul Asnam, which means Ibrahim breaks the idols. Okay? وَجَاءَ يَوْمُ عِيدٍ فَفَرِحَ النَّاسِ. Ja yaji, which means to come. Yawmu Eidin, a festival day. Fariha yafrahu, which means to happy. And nas, people. Wajja yawmu Eidin, a festival day came. Fariha nas, and people are happy. Okay. وخرج الناس للعيد وخرج الأطفال. خرج يخرج, which means to go out. And this is the past tense of Arabic language. Okay, and nas, people, and atfal, this is a plural form and its singular form is tiflun. Tiflun. Okay, tiflun means child. Tiflun means child. Okay, students. وخرج الناس للعيد وخرج الأطفال. The people went out for the festival and the children also went out. Okay, next. وخرج والد إبراهيم وقال لإبراهيم ألا تخرج معنا. وخرج والد إبراهيم. Ibrahim's father went out. Yeah, and Ibrahim's father also went out. وقال لإبراهيم, and he said to Ibrahim alayhi salam, ألا تخرج معنا, will you not come with us? قال إبراهيم. Ibrahim alayhi salam said, أنا سقيم. سقيم, which means sick. أنا, I. So أنا سقيم, I'm sick. That's why I'll not go. Okay, next. وذهب الناس. وذهب الناس. The people went away. ذهب يذهب, which means also go. Okay, so this is the past tense. I repeat again. وذهب الناس, the people went away. وبقي إبراهيم في البيت, and Ibrahim alayhi salam stayed in the house. بقي يبقى, which means to stay. Okay, and Bayt, house, you already know. وجاء إبراهيم إلى الأصنام. وجاء إبراهيم إلى الأصنام. Ibrahim alayhi salam came to the idols. Came to the idols. وقال للأصنام, and he said to them. He said to the idols. Okay, he said to them, ألا ألا تتكلمون. ألا تتكلمون. تكلم يتكلم, which means to speak. ألا تتكلمون, why do you not speak? ألا تسمعون, why do you not hear? Answer. Ibrahim alayhi salam said to the idols, ألا تتكلمون ألا تسمعون, why do you not speak, why do you not hear? هذا طعام وشراب. This is food and drink. ألا تأكلون. أكل يأكل, which means to eat. شرب يشرب, which means to drink. ألا تأكلون, why do you not eat? ألا تشربون, why do you not drink? وسكتت الأصنام. سكت يسكت, which means to stay silent. Okay, and hijaratun, which means stone. And تنطق نطق ينطق, which means also to speak. Okay, so وسكتت الأصنام, the idols stayed silent. لأنها حجارة, because they were stones. And لا تنطق, and stones that could not speak. قال إبراهيم. Ibrahim alayhi salam said, ما لكم لا تنطقون. ما لكم لا تنطقون, this is a Quranic ayah. Okay, ما لكم, what is the matter with you? لا تنطقون, why do you not speak? ما لكم لا تنطقون. Ibrahim alayhi salam said, what is the matter with you? Idols, why do you not speak? وسكتت الأصنام وما نطقت. The idols remained silent and did not speak. حينئذ غضب إبراهيم. غضب يغضب, which means to become angry. Okay. Then Ibrahim alayhi salam became angry. وأخذ الفاس. أخذ يأخذ, which means to take. Okay. And al-fas, which means in Arabic axe. Okay. Al-fas, which means axe. Remember this. وأخذ الفاس. And Ibrahim alayhi salam took an axe. And وضرب إبراهيم الأصنام بالفاس. ضرب يضرب, which means to strike. Okay. Or to hit. Ibrahim alayhi salam struck the idols بالفاس, with the axe. وكسر الأصنام, and broke them. Okay. وترك إبراهيم الصنم الأكبر وعلق الفاس في عنقه. ترك يترك, which means to leave. Okay. Sanam, you already know the meaning of this word. Sanamun, which means idol. As-sanamul akbar, which means biggest idol. Okay. Allaqa wa allaqa. Allaqa yu'alliqu, which means to hang. Okay. Al-fas, axe, and unuqun. Unuqun in Arabic, which means neck. So the complete meaning of this sentence is وَتَرَكَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ الصَّنَمَ الْأَكْبَرَ وَعَلَّقَ الْفَاسَ فِي أُنُقِهِ. Ibrahim alayhi salam left the biggest idol and وَعَلَّقَ الْفَاسَ فِي أُنُقِهِ, hung the axe around its neck. I hope you understood this lesson very well. Jazakumullah for watching the videos. Thank you.